Yo guys, CDP Ramos YT back here with another video. Sorry I ended the one wrong. I was gonna say like and subscribe, but my friend just like ended it. So can you like and subscribe that video? And yeah, so right now we're eating in this place. Yeah, you guys should check this place out. It's where like the 99 is. Like, it's literally right next to the pawn shop. You know what I'm saying? So this is what we're eating. It's called the Asada fries, but it's apparently special fries. It's really good. You guys should try it. So hey guys. Yeah, so like and subscribe to this video too. Even though I might be dumb, but whatever. Hit that notification bell. Just in case we make like new videos and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying, brother? Yeah.
Comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below.
What should we make? What should we make next?
Damn. We go 5 weeks ago.
Okay, so the first are 2, now 3.
So let's get cheesy.
So all are 2s.
This guy's the one. He's the homie. He'll keep you guys up. He's
Anything else?
Me and him are like rich, kind of rich. Huh? We be getting money and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like making it rain. Looking for making it rain.
No, the first 2 you say no watermelon. Okay? And you want
This kid's the best friend right here, bro. How to be best friends with him in real life, like if you were making the video.
Take me only like 3 to 4
Wait, what? That's yours.
Well,
okay, so you want me to
But
take
huh?
it now? Because
It
if
wasn't.
you do your little too long, that will be a little bit.
I let me watch.
That's what I'm saying. So, so you be here.
yeah, so like,
In 5 minutes, okay? I'll start the next ready. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
should I put it back? Now we're just like, we're gonna get home like at 7:30. Like 7:25. And then we're gonna hop on Fortnite, run some duels or arena duels. And then after, yeah. I might record it, I might not, cause like I've been filming so much videos today. And I still have to upload the other one, but
This is the second one.
Oh, look, somebody left something. We just found this, guys. Put that on, Holmes. Bro, I was getting like the bad hiccups. You know those bad hiccups that like hurt your
You
throat?
feel like you're gonna throw up or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was having sure but hard. Like I was like hurting my head
When?
this morning.
Do you go to school? How many points you got in arena?
Like 100 or 200. How much?
I got 198.
For real, for real?
Yes, sir. I play when I get bored. I'm mad that we qualify for the World Cup. That'd be sick, coach.
We're almost finished with that because we started the video a little late. So we're like almost finished with it. Look back at it, middle finger up, and a double digit.
Oh, you know that song from 2 Chainz?
Yeah, look back at it.
I didn't even what it tried to. I didn't even know what I asked for. I shouldn't got soda or something or water.
No, it says here, let's get real quick.
Oh, they didn't stop. How you stop it?
Um,
Can I get a burrito, asada, everything, please?
you're gonna
Burrito.
Drink and bread.
oh, this lady's here like
Can you put
to get some burritos, you know what I'm saying? Burritos chiquitos. You know him?
The fat people are.
But I'm getting full.
Bro.
No, that's not.
Hey,
I'm wrong.
let's chill for a bit, and after, let's make a video. But
To the back over there?
yeah, basketball.
You know, like in the back over there? The store?
What about it?
Wait, what do you want to do? You want to record things here?
Yeah, we should explore this place.
I don't know. I wanted to go back to the buildings over there, you know?
Oh. Sorry, guys.
So 6 hot chops and 2 fries.
You're the fastest one in school, huh?
What?
You're the fastest one in school.
Me?
Phil?
In 7th grade.
Higher one.
I'm
Emergency one.
I'm like one of the fastest. I'm like the first. Yeah, second or fifth or sixth. Or seventh.
In your school? Who's the first?
I don't know. Oh, it's a kid named freaking.
Isn't Nick one of the fastest? Isn't the Nick like second? So guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell every time we'll post. Yeah, and yeah. This girl keeps texting me. You keep calling speaking sexually. So guys,
Peace.
peace.